So we have reached to the last section here, which is your footer. Now to edit this footer, we're not going to go back to the My Front page. We're going to go back to the customizer here. On the customizer, go down and select footer. Last but not least, you may want to remove this bottom text here. To do that, go to your admin panel and then under Appearance, go to Editor. Scroll down here and you may have guessed it, click on Theme Footer, which is footer.php. Then scroll down. You'll find that text is located here. Now from my previous tutorial, I taught you how to disable or comment out this text by using that /* way. Now this time we're not going to use this syntax. We're going to use a different syntax, which is like this. This is a way to comment out your code for HTML. So I'm going to go do this, and you're going to end this commenting syntax. You're going to end this comment line with this. So this is the way how you comment out a line of code on a HTML markup. Now remember to leave your name and date so that you could easily return back to this section here to maybe to enable it back or to do something that you want. Once we're done, click Update File, return to the site and refresh. And immediately that line disappears. But that line, honestly, it is still there. It's just that it's not visible. The only way to look at that line is to select, right-click, and select View Page Source. If you just scroll down, you'll find that line over here. If you want to permanently remove these lines here, you just have to go and delete them over here. But for now, I'm just going to disable it.